Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and today we're diving into why use WordPress, a deep dive into 5 good reasons. Let's get started. Number 1. WordPress is easy to use. WordPress is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to create a stunning website. With its intuitive dashboard and simple interface, you can easily add and manage content, customize your site, and even install plugins all without any coding knowledge. It's perfect for beginners and saves you tons of time. Number 2. Highly customizable for great flexibility. WordPress offers unparalleled flexibility. With thousands of themes and plugins available, you can customize your site to look and function exactly how you want. Whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce store, a portfolio, or even a community forum, WordPress has the tools to make your vision come to life. The possibilities are endless. Number 3. SEO friendly. One of the standout features of WordPress is its SEO friendliness. It's designed with clean code and has built-in features that help optimize your site for search engines. Plus, with SEO plugins like Yoast SEO, you can easily enhance your content's visibility, helping you rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. Number 4. It can be used for multiple purposes. WordPress isn't just for blogs, it's a versatile platform that can be used for a wide range of websites. From online stores to business websites, portfolios, and even online courses, WordPress can handle it all. Its adaptability makes it a go-to choice for any type of website you can think of. Number 5. Safety and security. WordPress takes safety and security seriously. The platform is constantly updated to address vulnerabilities and improve security. With the right security plugins and best practices, you can protect your site from malware and hackers. WordPress also offers regular updates to keep your site secure and running smoothly. These are just a few reasons why WordPress is a great choice for your website. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We'll also add the link in the description below. Join our Facebook group for support and help with GeoDirectory, WooCommerce, BuddyPress, and WordPress. It's a great place to ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others who have the same interests. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, BuddyDevelopers, for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.